So this is some of the ground that we've got here now that's got some of the scalding that was becoming when we were sowing our cereals. There was just no establishment of the cereal crops at all. So we're returning this area back to our grasses and our perennial shrubs. The plants that are only 12 months old, we're very pleased with the results we've had. When we established the perennial shrubs, the ground was pre-ripped, in a single furrowed ripped before, and then after we'd had some following up rains to reconsolidate the soil, the plants were all tube stock and were planted with a tree planter. We've had a very successful establishment with these plants on this site, because I think you need to have your ground damp beforehand, obviously, but the fact that we were able to select 5 species that were already on our ENRICH site from before have given us a good success rate. The results we've gained from our ENRICH sites, which have been established for 3 years now, has given us the benefit of the most palatable plants that are available, how they've rejuvenated after a heavy grazing. Of the 5 types of perennials that we've chosen, some of them are taller ones and some of them are the low ground creeping ones. Like this one here is a creeping saltbush or a semi-baccata, and that's proved itself to be very palatable for livestock and rejuvenates very quickly. This species here is a Eyre's green. It's a derivative of the old man saltbush, and for something that's only 12 months old, it's one of the taller ones that's really got a good growth establishment inside some of the scalding ground that's some of the most severe ground on this site. Another variety that we've got here which stands up tall is this river saltbush, and we're finding that one very good. That's probably a little bit more palatable than the old man saltbush that we were looking at earlier. This one here is our ruby saltbush. Doesn't grow as bulky as some of the other ones, but it just seems to offer that bit of a mix of palatability in amongst the plant, and it rejuvenates and sets seeds quite prolifically.